Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can access our computer settings. Yes, I'm going to show you three ways in which you can actually access the setting because you have to know exactly what type of settings your computer have, what and what actually make up the settings. So I'll be guiding you through this era step by step. All right, as you can see, we have our desktop right here. So we're going to show you three ways in which you can reach the settings, right? You notice right here to your left, startup menu, you click on that. Notice to bring up this dialog box right here. So this is if it's word settings. You want to click on the settings, right? And these are all the settings. They can come up here and close. The second way, you come right here. That's a type here. When you click right there, you just type S, right? You notice this is FS settings. You click on it, and there you go again. So the third way now, definitely you come right down here, the action center. You click. Now, when you click right here, notice right here's our setting. You click and it take you right out there. Right? So within the settings, what you see in the settings, right? You notice right up here, it's a OneDrive, it's a Windows, right? And if you notice up here, it's a reward, just the same. Alright, and if you notice right here, you have a search bar, you can actually search. So here is also local, so there's no account, which you can actually add an account. Right, if you notice, it's a system. Right, so we're going to be looking at each of them to see what's exactly inside of them. Right, it's a system, right? Device, you notice Bluetooth, it's have to do with phone, so which you can attach a phone to your computer. All right, network right here, personalization. Notice we have ease of access, we have gaming, we have time and language. So there are here, you can actually see exactly how you can actually set the time. Right, you have accounts right here, you have apps or you uninstall and all that. Right here, you can also make a search. Right here, do privacy. And this itself, you can actually update this here. All right, so we're going to go to each of them individually and see exactly what's going on. Right. So yes, we're going to click here and settings. So we're going to look at each of them individual. This is exactly what's inside of it. All right, when I click on settings, if you notice right here, I have display right here. Right, display, this is what all what is in display right here. You can change the page orientation right here, notice scale and all of that. You can turn on night light on the computer if it's too bright. You can come right here, say click on sound. If you notice, you can actually change the different stuff right here. You notice that each time I talk, the mic actually moving right here. Notification, these are what come up so far. The notification, you notice all these apps right here actually on the computer so far. Right, if you notice right here, so focus assistant, this is what come up. Right, focus assistant. So these are some of the stuff that really come up on it, right? Power and sleep. Notice you can actually change the different sleep time on it and all that. Oh, yes, you have additional adjustment you can actually do, right? Battery, yes, definitely the battery. So if you notice the battery section over here, notice it show the percent of the battery is, or you can turn on battery saver, right? And if you notice the time period right here, right? Where everything actually there. So look now, so this will show you exactly what consume most of the battery and all of that. Right here, storage, right? You notice you see the storage right here, obviously, right? Multitasking and all that. If you want to go back, right, you come back right here, for home and click on home. So you're going to click on device. Now when you click on device, you can add Bluetooth right here. So if you notice, these are the various Bluetooth devices that attach to your computer. So you can literally send a file from the computer to your mobile phone, right? If you notice, this is the printing section right here. Show the print and all of that. You have mouse, right? So you can change all this color, the mouse and the speed and all of that. Touchpad, you can actually make some adjustment to the touchpad just the same. Right here. You can actually zoom it in. You notice, you give an example right here. You can actually use your finger, right? You can show desktop, switch apps and all of that. If you notice, it's a demonstration right down here, which you can actually look at right here. Good. So go right back up there. Move it on. All right. So definitely going to be looking on this one. There's a phone. All right. If you notice right here, turn on phone link that you can actually link the phone so far. All right. So we're going to go back to the next one, right? It's a network. Because sometimes you don't understand. Sometimes you come onto the network right here, right? It say you are connected to a network right here. So if you notice, this is a computer right here, and this is set with the Wi-Fi. Show you right here, and this right here. So notice this is set with the status. You come right here and click on the Wi-Fi. You notice if I click right here, say turn off the Wi-Fi, right? And if I scroll up, you notice this is available support Wi-Fi. Dial up on all the VPN, right? So far. Let's move on. Personalization. When you click on personalization, what we see now, you can actually change your computer background. Yes, if you notice, you can change the background from what you have. Or else you can change my desktop background, right? The adjustment, right? If you notice, right, you can actually change the color. Just to see them different colors right here. Right? You can also lock screen. As you see, right, if you notice, you can put in a lock screen as when the computer goes sleep. These are one of the screen you might see come up. Right, look at Teams. Right, look up on team right here. Notice these are on different teams you can actually look at. But if you notice, this is font. When you click on font, what will happen now? You can change the font size of the icon that will actually inside there. So far, you notice a different time. So this is the taskbar, which is known right down here. So right here, so the taskbar is locked. So if I try to move this up, it's not gonna move unless I uncheck this. Right? It can automatically hide it. If you click this, you won't see the taskbar right here. So if you go up on the computer, you don't see it, you just simple come to this section right here. Personalization and actually do that. Alright, so we're gonna look on apps section right here. You notice when I click on apps, so these are all the apps that are on your computer, which you can actually uninstall them. If you notice right here. So here's the apps and feature default apps. Notice you have map, you have playback, and you have startup, right? So the startup one now, these are some of the apps that will actually start up with your computer when your computer on. Right? You notice right here, this one say iron pack, right? So if you want you can actually come like that and turn off it. Right? And I look with it, low impact. So okay, and all of that. Right? So startup. So go back there now look at account. Now when you click on account, this is what come up. Now show the name of the person. Right here, you can also create a picture or a camera. So this service knows that the info. So you click on email now. So far you notice these are the different types of email right here. Definitely, if you right click on some of these email, you can actually remove. They can also add another Microsoft right here. Right here, you can add account right up here. Sign up. You notice you have access to work, or play, family, and other user, right? And Windows backup, right? So when you go back now, you're going to look right here, it's the time and language. Now when you look at time and language, this is what happens. You can set time automatically. You come right over here, so setting up time and date, right? You can actually scroll up and see exactly what. Here you can actually click by clicking right here and change the time zone to exactly where you are. So far, you notice it's right over here, time and date. Alright, here click on the region. Notice a different type of region. Right there, show you. And we click on language. Right, language and speech. If you notice, right, you can also add another language right here. Right, and if you click on speech, if you notice, you can get started by setting up your mic for speech recognition. So all of that is available right there. So you're going to press this and go back and click on gaming. For some of you might not interest in this area, right? You can set, you notice right here, so you can record a clip on your PC by using the game bar. Right? So if you notice the difference, so right here, you can actually put shortcut. These are shortcut key you can actually use and play the game. Another liquid. Right? So if you come right over here, so capture, right? So when you click on capture, if you notice right here, folder, all of that you can make the verse section right here, notice the microphone volume, the status, and show what you can actually do for X, Y amount of minutes. Right? So you click right here and then you go back. So now go back now you're gonna be looking at the next section. So we're looking at ease of access now. Now when you look at ease of access right here, you notice it have some here they can actually change background settings right here. Yes, you can actually change color right here. Settings color. Right, is make text bigger. Yes, right. Why come like this? You know this text bigger. So when I type, it actually come particle, and all of that. If you notice right here, all of that. Simplify personalized window, right? It show animation and window. And all of that. If you notice right here, display. Also this have to do the mouse pointer. If you notice, if I click right here, so notice my mouse pointer getting large. I click it right down here, it's getting a little bit smaller. Just the same. Right up here, you can start using magnifying glass right there. You can use eye contrast by bringing up the color. Just the same. So you can go right here. I will go back so far. So notice right here. You can actually click inside here, or you can actually search it. Notice permission and history right here. Right, just show that. Restrict, moderate right here. Come up right here. Record school. Yes. I can clear device search history. Just the same permission and window right here. So you can go back. You can also come right here and look at privacy. Now when you click on privacy, this is what happens. You can change privacy setting right here. Over here, you notice there's some different privacy you can manage in the Microsoft account privacy. This is general. So this have to do with speech right here. So online speech recognition that is also available. Right, inking and typing personalization right here. Now location, I have the microphone. Right, and I click on location, notice right here. So all of these location, just the same. I can come right down here, the microphone. So when you click on the microphone right here, notice right, you can actually change, allow apps to access your microphone, just the same. So these are the apps really allow to access the microphone. If you don't want it, you can actually put it off just like that, just the same. Right, if you don't play the game, you can actually take it off. Take off some of these, definitely, if you don't want to. Alright, and then go back. And then this is the one, last one is update. When you click on update, this is what happened. Right? You notice you can download and install. Right? Right here, sure that you can actually check for update. Right? So these are some different time history. So right here, optimize version of the security, file backup troubleshooting. If you notice, you can activate Windows and all of that. You can actually go back. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.